Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed your Ford Ranger 2 clutch. First, gather your essential tools, including a 12mm wrench, a clear hose, and fresh DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. Next, locate the clutch master cylinder under the hood and the bleed nipple on the slave cylinder, usually near the transmission. Before starting, ensure the fluid reservoir is completely full with the specified hydraulic fluid to prevent air from entering the system during the process. For the two-person method, attach one end of your clear hose to the bleed nipple and place the other end into a container with some fresh brake fluid. Ask your helper to pump the clutch pedal 5 to 10 times, then hold it firmly to the floor. While the pedal is down, quickly open the bleed nipple for about 1 to 2 seconds to release air and fluid, then immediately close it. Repeat this process until no more air bubbles appear in the fluid. It is crucial to constantly monitor the fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir throughout the bleeding process. Never let it drop too low, as this will introduce more air into the system, requiring you to start over. Once you believe the bleeding is complete, check the clutch pedal for firm, consistent resistance and full travel. Also, carefully inspect all connections and the bleed nipple for any signs of fluid leaks, ensuring a secure and dry system. After bleeding, ensure the bleed nipple is securely tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten it, which could cause damage. Promptly clean up any spilled brake fluid, as it is corrosive and can harm your vehicle's paint. Finally, take your Ford Ranger for a test drive to confirm the clutch operates smoothly, engaging and disengaging without any issues. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable while working on your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.